Welcome to your ultimate guide to academic advising, planning, and preparing for vet school here at NC State. Whether you're just starting out or looking to fine tune your plan, we've got you covered. First, let's talk about advising. You should plan to meet with your academic advisor at least once or twice every semester. If their advising style doesn't match your needs, you can switch. Talk to a faculty member you trust and ask if they'd be willing to advise you. If they agree, email your undergraduate coordinator with your student ID number and your new advisor's name. Planning ahead is important. Use MyPack Planner to create your 4-year plan. It's important to remember you're not alone on your pre-vet journey. Dr. Shweta Trivedi, VetPAC Director, provides professional pre-vet advising, and VetPAC interns offer peer mentoring and guidance. When you register for My VetPAC, you'll gain access to the VetPAC listserv, which shares jobs, internships, events, and a variety of other opportunities. Now let's talk about professors. Building relationships with your professors leads to mentorship, recommendations, and opportunities. Connect with your professors by attending office hours, joining review sessions, taking on an honors project, or qualify as a TA if you earn at least a B+. Many professors are involved in research and welcome undergraduate help. Reaching out can help open doors to hands-on experience and even strong recommendation letters. When it comes to planning, remember, minors are optional. Only choose one if you're truly interested. Start looking into 3 or 4 vet schools early on to make sure you meet all of their prerequisites. Keep your GPA a priority over extracurriculars and focus on depth and longevity in your activities. Just as important, plan your downtime. Time management isn't just about assignments, it's also about balance. Build space for rest, friendships, and activities outside of vet med. Protecting your well being helps prevent burnout and keeps you performing at your best. As a next step, consider taking ANS 281. This course prepares you to become a strong vet school applicant. You'll learn about application requirements, career paths, dual degrees, and financial planning. Course topics include VMCAS, building your pre-vet portfolio, writing personal essays, interview prep, and exploring careers like mixed animal practice, lab animal practice, and exotic medicine. Now let's talk about grades. Over the past 5 years, the average GPA for students admitted to NC State's College of Veterinary Medicine has been between 3.6 and 3.8. Vet schools typically consider 3 types of GPA: cumulative GPA, prerequisite GPA, and your GPA for the last 45 credit hours. You can use NC State's GPA calculator and VetPAC's prerequisite spreadsheet to track your progress. And be sure to watch VetPAC's video on GPA requirements for more guidance. Some students may find themselves asking, why does research matter? Well, vet schools value applicants with research experience, and lacking it may put you behind equally qualified peers. Start by identifying topics you enjoy, ask professors or advisors about openings, and when reaching out, make sure to include your resume and a grid view of your schedule. Keep your message short and professional, and follow up in about a week if you don't get a response. Here are some final tips. Use every resource available to you and don't hesitate to ask for help. Take things one semester at a time. Progress matters more than perfection. And stay connected by registering with My VetPAC at vetpac.ncsu.edu for more updates and opportunities. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more pre-vet tips and planning resources from VetPAC at NC State.